Hello ladies and gentlemen, as promised I've put together the beginner's low budget carving kit. So you'll see here, it's got many of the same things, so you're still getting the same polishing felts, you're still getting the same polishing powders, just to enable you to polish whatever you want, not just opal. The aluminium oxide will help with a lot of other stones, so no matter who you are, what you're carving, you'll still be able to use this. What has changed is that we're running with these. So this is some electroplated diamond burrs. So you'll go from these and then switch over to these, which is the sandpaper roll mandrels. So you can see here, these range from about 240 grit all the way up to 5,000 behind it. This alone can almost get you a pretty good polish by the time you finish with the 5,000. But of course, I always recommend jumping over and doing the metal oxide polishing for most stones anyway. That or diamond paste. You can sub it out for diamond paste. It is a bit more expensive and I don't offer that at the moment. So for the total cost of this, I'm looking at about 55 Australian dollars, which does sound a little bit silly, and it probably is because I've seen these sandpaper kits go for $50. But yeah, $55 Australian or just under 40 USD, which is much different compared to my 250 variety, which involves having the Nova points. So these Nova points are completely replaced by these little guys here. They can be bought separately as well if you just want these. But that's replacing the Novas. And then instead of having these two sintered diamond grits, you're just going to have this one electroplated grit. These two combined are about 180 bucks on the store at the moment. This is more like 10 bucks. So you can see we've really crunched the price down. So that's how it's come out so low in comparison. I think the other important thing to discuss quickly is just what I would do if I transferred from here to working towards the more master carving kit. So I think the first thing I would upgrade are these. So these will not last anywhere near as long. This entire kit will not outlast a single one of these sintered diamond burrs. So if you burn out all of these, which will happen pretty quickly, the thing I would be looking at doing is instead of buying more electroplateds, maybe consider moving on to some sintered diamonds. Either this kit here for just the really rough trimming down and then keeping with your sandpaper mandrels, or getting this one here and hoping that you can get through all of the rough with these. They will wear a little bit quicker. You can see the size of them is much smaller. But even these, a single one of these 600 burrs will outdo a couple packs of this. So I'd be definitely looking at sintered diamond burrs once you burn out these ones and get rid of them. And then you can think about replacing the sandpapers because they'll wear also really quickly in comparison to the Nova points. And of course, the felts and the metal oxides, no matter what you're doing, these are still best of the best. So you don't need to look at upgrading any of this stuff. This will remain. I still use it to this day. So yeah, that's the beginner's kit. If this goes anything like the master carving kit, it's probably going to sell incredibly quickly, but that's okay. That just means I need to restock faster. This is a very low cost, easy way for someone to test out their carving and just see if they're interested in carrying on with it as a hobby or not. Otherwise, whatever, it's just a small expenditure. Pair this with a nice $50 budget rotary tool with a flex shaft and you are good to go. By all means, get in touch with me if you have any problems, not just with the kit, but anything carving related in general. I'm always willing to help people. That's all we're doing this for. Feel free to get in touch and I'll see you in the next one.